Good evening, guys. I hope you're good. I'm so excited to review Inimba for y'all, guys, because I'm loving this show these days. When the show keeps on elevating, the show keeps on having that plot engithandayo, guys. So without any further ado, let me review. So kubonakala ngathi izinto zimnandi, guys. Things are actually going back to normal for the Mabandla family, because there has been tension about Bavumile, and ever since Hlathi was locked up, Utumega has been worried, has been disappointed, and she did not seem like she wanted to connect with Uhlati because of the disappointment of the arrest. So basically, Uhlati prepared a romantic dinner meal for Utumega, you understand? So I think things are getting back to normal, and apparently, guys, Uhlati officially apologized to Utumega for being a hot-headed father and for being a person who actually showed attention, about a lot of attention to Ubavumile rather than them. We understand that the family Ramabandla. Moving on, guys. So as you know, there's a bug planted in Zolega's house, and obviously Lazarus found himself kissing Lilian Gumede. So Zolega agagazi as yet, but at the same time, Lazarus looks like a person who's very guilty, you understand? I thought that he was gonna tell Zolega, but the guy looked uneasy, looked uncomfortable when Zolega was trying to like console or trying to connect with Lazarus. You could see Lazarus Uguti, the mood isn't giving, you understand? He's not there. He's there physically, but he's not there mentally, you understand? In his mind, he's still thinking about the incident that happened between him and Lilian. So moving on, guys, Lilian is the same person who went to Sydney's house. Obviously, Sydney and Lilian are colleagues, they are colleagues, but in a negative manner, to take down Ikusela. So Lilian, guys, was actually sad about the whole thing. I think she was starting to regret everything that she did, because she went there on a purpose to actually like distract things between Zolega and Lazarus, you understand? So once she reaches Sydney's house, she's just difficult to handle, but then bamthole Sydney. So Sydney is actually kind of enjoying this, because obviously he also has access on what's happening at Zolega's house, because there's a bug there. So Sydney was saying that he was also actually watching the video, while Lilian was actually explaining Uguti, okay, this is what she did. So if Lilian is that hurt, you understand, how much more will it hurt Zolega and Lazarus? So in my thinking, I think Lilian wants to actually expose the videos about what happened in Zolega's house. On the other side, Bafetu, this connection, it keeps on getting stronger, and I'm just glad that Hlathi has got back to his senses. Finally, Hlathi grew up to actually go back to his wife, and mend things up, and be the family that they were, you understand? So obviously Tumega is looking for a job, and Uklati seems like a supportive husband, you understand? He told Tumega, like, she mustn't worry, the people are gonna call, and obviously she's gonna get the job. So it's Hlathi being supportive. On the other side, Bafetu, Uzolega was busy with the laptop, and then she receives a notification, anonymous notification, but we all know Ubani who is behind this thing, you understand? So obviously Lilian sent it as an anonymous number, because bengabona ukuthi uyena, or trace it back, because these people are doing IT. So Uzolega opens the link, and then she sees the video. That video is Lazarus kissing Lilian Gumede. They were kissing inside Zolega's house, you understand? So Zolega did not like this, she did not like seeing what she saw on her laptop, so she decided to actually stand up and go and look for the bug that is inside the house, you understand? So Zolega's house is very, very big, but she stood up and she saw what something is up, she suspected, and then so Bafethu, Lazarus meets Ukamva there at the restaurant, you understand? So if you remember well, Ukamva and Lazarus have a good chemistry, they have a good connection. So Lazarus wants to actually plug Ukamva with a job regarding what Ukamva is doing back in university, because there's this course that he is doing that corresponds with the job that Lazarus wants to give him. So apparently Lazarus is connected to this other guy whom he claims is his friend, you understand, to give Lekamva a job and give Lekamva an opportunity to actually experience that kind of job. But while at it, Lazarus receives a call from Uzolega saying, you understand. So obviously, Zolega has seen the video and Lazarus has to rush back. So there's romantic vibes between Uzethu and Okamva. Okamva has asked out Uzethu on a date on Wednesday. So obviously Uzethu was like, she's gonna sacrifice a shift arc and change her shifts because she's now the manager La Palette, you understand, for the date no Likamva. Something is coming. Yeah, something is coming. So Zolega Bafetu, she starts panicking. Looking for a bag because she knows it wasn't a person who actually took a footage in Japan. There was a bag inside the house that was plugged to actually look out for everything, understand? But things were actually connected through Zolega's Wi-Fi, and it said Wi-Fi is very strong. You understand? So eventually the Wi-Fi was glitching. Lazarus actually came up with something saying the Wi-Fi was glitching. So some people actually took advantage and used the Wi-Fi. So in order for them to have access around the house, a bug was actually plugged in. Also, the Wi-Fi, they actually operated, because if you remember well, Lazarus, Ulilan Gumete no Sydney actually worked on it to get the Wi-Fi and actually hacked in the whole thing, able to get whatever they wanted to get, even the footages. So Lilan returns to Sydney and tells Sydney Guti she has sent the videos, but it was anonymous because they would have traced her number if she sent it with a number, you understand? So well, Sydney is very angry about whatsoever. But Lilian Gomete is now escaping, of which I think Sydney is gonna get into trouble all alone again, because Lilian Gomete told Sydney Kuti no, she is escaping out of the country. She is escaping out of the country. Now the water is very hot, but because Lilian knows how smart Zolega is, also Lazarus, but now she wants to escape out of the country. And Sydney is worried, why is she escaping out of the country? Because they're supposed to be working together. They are in this together, you understand? Hey, that's what sure about it. Sydney has to by the way I see it, you understand? So Zolega is worried about the whole thing. It got her stressed out, you understand? And now they're shouting at Daphne because Daphne was sent an SMS about them scam, and they were scamming her, saying that she won 50,000 rand. So when Daphne clicked the link, understand, it had access to everything, and apparently Zolega is saying she used to warn with Daphne not to click on my links because now there are hackers, you understand, and now they hacked her Wi-Fi, they hacked most of the things with system so the hero if ever Daphne did not click the link, or if ever Daphne did not delete the message, they would have known who was behind this. So Uzolega also said they mustn't worry because she knows who is behind this whole thing, you understand? So Mawethu and this technician, try to do the work in tracing who is behind this, but then unfortunately Daphne deleted the notification, so it was hard for them to actually track down the person who is behind this whole thing of sending them anonymous messages. And on the other side, the Bafes who Chef is getting along with Onga. Remember guys, Chef is actually, I don't know if related or friends with Mawethu. So I think Chef was trying to go there and actually fish information from Onga and see how Onga is acting, because obviously Chef is fully behind Mawethu's back regarding Uqhawe, because Mawethu and Uqhawe used to date, and Mawethu said Chef he is gonna fight for Uqhawe regardless of anything because they broke up, you understand? So they finally meet, now we are sure Chef you're the guy that actually stole my brother's job. Onga does not know who Mawethu applied for the job, and obviously these guys introduced each other. Onga unfortunately worked overseas and is from Vosloo, according to the story. And yeah, man, buyasho u-Onga ukuthi hayibo bakhuluma ngayo yini ikhusele lapha ePalace, I mean, because he did not steal anyone's job. He came here as also an applicant and got the job. But on the other side, Uzethu is excited to go on a date no Kamva. And because they are friends with Kawe, something had happened lapana at the pilot when those guys were speaking. So as Onga no chef was speaking, Onga looked aside. And I can tell ukuthi these guys are actually flirting. Something is promising here because Ukawe has actually showed Onga which she likes Onga, you understand that? Now Onga also said there's nothing that's gonna happen. And Ushefuge is peeping something, he's suspecting something which, oh, this is actually real, you understand? There's a lot going on here, you understand? So these guys are actually flirting with Onga and Ukawe. Hey, we don't know what's gonna happen next, but I can't wait to see what's gonna happen next. I do think these guys are gonna give it a shot. So the other time, guys, Uzethu was speaking and there was a bug. So unfortunately, they spoke about Umawesu sleeping with Uzoleka, you understand? And that Lazarus akazi ukuthi this guy slept. So also Lazarus got his notification, anonymous notification from Ulilen Gumede. And she actually opened the video. He opened the link, he opened the link, you understand? Waibuga video, and he heard these things that they were speaking about Ukawe no Zethu, you understand? So there's a lot of tension going on because Zolega was the first to actually see the video. Now Lazarus is seeing the video second, you understand? So I think these guys are gonna separate. There's gonna be a lot of escalation and tension. There's gonna be a lot of arguments between Uzolega and Lazarus. That's what I think is gonna happen next. You let me know what you think is gonna happen next. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Support the page, guys. Thank you.